This is Tool Tuesday, and some combination of these two tools are my favorite. So this is basically all of my grits of sandpaper, and this is for any shaping that I need to do quickly and I can't gas up my shop. This little battery-powered chainsaw with a carving tip on it, I found absolutely indispensable for the work I've been doing. Because of the forms that I make on a lathe, normal wood turning, you can just hollow it normally on a lathe. Mine, you can't. So how I remove a lot of the internal material to prevent it from cracking, I use a chainsaw, as well as just general shaping. And then as for the torch, now I prefer one that has the regulator and you just pull the trigger and it's burning, but this one's fine too. It does the same work. But I like leaving tool marks on my pieces, but to get a nice resolved form and finish, you still need to kind of burn the fuzz off of a piece, or remove the fuzz, however you end up doing it, and I prefer a torch. Thank you guys for watching Tool Tuesday. My name's Derek Weidman, and that's it.